Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Black Ops 6 not launching on Steam, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is, before opening up Steam, look for it on the desktop. Once you find it, right click on it and hit run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can go ahead and start up Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is, underneath a library, look for Call of Duty, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files. From installed files, what you want to do is you want to click on verify this game's files are installed correctly, and then hit verify integrity of game files. And what this basically does is that if there are any corrupt files, or any corrupt or bad files, this will basically remove them, and then you should be good to go. And then you can X out, and then you can go ahead and start up Call of Duty, and you can also check to see if that fixes the issue. The third thing you guys can do is simply just restart your PC, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi, or you can use an Ethernet cable instead. Either or, you can do whatever you want. But if you don't know how to restart your Wi-Fi router, all you have to do is just unplug the power cord, wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and I highly recommend restarting your PC as well. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.